Hi, I am Jyoti sir. Welcome to my class. Today I will discuss about the syllabus of ICSE class 9 mathematics. So please follow my classes and please subscribe my channel and like it and share it among your friends so that each and everyone should get the news about these classes and should get the benefit also. So let us start. So I have a book of class 9 where today I will discuss about the syllabus and the exam pattern, and from the next day I will start chapter wise the class and I will clear all your doubts and I will try to teach as easy as possible, and also all the formulas and all these expressions and everything I will just explain you clearly so that in exam if you get confused easily in rough you can make of your own and clear your doubt and confusion also. Okay, so let us start. So first let us talk about the exam pattern. Now as you have seen already here, your total maths marks is 100 where 80 is exam, that is you have to give written exam, and that will be of 2.5 hours, and 20 will be of project. Project will be internal assessment will be there, project will be given to you and it will be done in the school also, and just you have to do it and you have to submit the copy. That will carry 20 marks and the rest 80 marks you have to give exam. Clear? Now among 80 in the exam, 40 will be compulsory. That means the 40 marks, all the sum of 40 marks, that is 4 set will be there, you have to do it. And the rest 7 set you will get 4 as optional. That means among 7 you have to do 4. Rest 40 marks you have to do it. That will be an optional one. Clear about the exam pattern? Now let us come back to the syllabus. Now I have a book from where I am just discussing about the syllabus. Then we will start the chapter wise. We will start. Okay. Now the first chapter is in class 9 is rational and irrational number. Now what is a rational and irrational number? Now rational number is a number which is of the form p by q, and where q is not equal to 0 is a rational number. Where irrational number means in normal way you will also tell that a number which is not rational is irrational number, but when we will discuss then we will see that there are many numbers are there which why they are called irrational number, how to prove you will learn here. Not only you will learn here, also you will learn that how that between two rational numbers how to insert many more rational numbers, and I will teach you my own easy method how to insert rational number between two rational number or irrational number, how to prove it also I will teach you in an easy way rather than what is given in the book. Next is compound interest. Now you know about interest already you have heard from your father, mother or parents that in the bank they are giving interest or any other place they are giving interest. So here we will learn a method of interest. So here in this chapter you will learn first is the simple interest and then you will learn compound interest. Now simple interest and compound interest are two different types of interest, but in many calculation we can use the help of simple interest in compound interest. We will see how and when, and also we will see that in which question we should not take the help of simple interest, but we have to do with the formula of compound interest. Clear? Then the third chapter is expansion. Already you have done. There are little bit expansions are there. Fourth chapter is factorization. Very important chapter because in class 10 also this will help you. And factorization formulas you will learn: a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a square minus b square. This all formula you know it. Here you will use this formula to do the sum. Then simultaneous linear equation. Now simultaneous linear equation, already you know what is linear equation. Linear equation means an equation which represents a straight line. Already you have done. You have solved the linear equation. Well, think it and write it in the comment. And then I will give you the answer in the comment that where you have done linear equation. Because already you have done it in previous class. Already you have solved the linear equation. Where think it nicely and write it in the comment. So simultaneous linear equation, here you will learn how to solve two linear equations, that is two straight line equation, how to solve it and to get the value of x and y. What is x and y? When I will discuss, then I will nicely I will make you understand that where you have done not only but also what is the x and y. Then problem on simultaneous linear equation means in the previous chapter already linear equation, that is the straight line equation will be given to you. But in the next chapter you have to read the word and you have to find and make the equation and then you have to solve it. So then indices already you have used it, but not as an indices but as a power, as a exponent form you have used it. Here we will learn the only that what are the calculations, because many of the time you have done a mistake. If I tell you, then you will understand what is the mistake is that many of a place you have written a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square, where plus 2ab already you have missed, means you have taken the power inside the bracket, but it can't be done. You have done the wrong. Why it is wrong? In this chapter you will learn. Then logarithm, it is a very easy and very interesting chapter, that also you will learn what is logarithm. Then triangles are there, where the different types of theorems and formulas and all, Pythagoras triangle, then scalene triangle, then many other theorem you will learn from here. Then midpoint theorem, here you will learn that in the triangle what the midpoints of the side of the triangle help you to find the value of the other side. That one you will learn in this chapter. Then Pythagoras theorem already I told that in the triangle also you will learn Pythagoras theorem, or also in separate way you will learn Pythagoras theorem, which is related only with right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, hypotenuse is there, height is there, and base is there. So already you know that in this right angle triangle, what are there? Pythagoras theorem tells you that hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Let me show you. So this is the triangle, right angle triangle, you know, this will be 90 degrees, where this is the hypotenuse, this is the height, and this is the base. Pythagoras theorem tells you hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square, and all the sum is related and around this only this formula. Either they will give you hypotenuse, the height, you have to find base, or these two, you have to find this, all this. So very easy chapter. Next come theorems on area. So here you will know different types of theorems on area, related to the area. Then mensuration, here you will learn 2D area, then how to find the surface area and everything, and 3D also surface area, volume and everything you will learn how to find it. 2D you will learn how to find the area, how to find the perimeter, and in 3D. But 3D is very very important. So nicely you will learn nicely 2D also, but 3D very nicely you will learn, because in class 10 only 3D mensuration is there. So nicely you will learn in class 9. Next is trigonometrical ratio. Now, for example, in Pythagoras theorem, height, hypotenuse and base. So one formula is there. So when one formula is there, so any two variable, here 3 variable is there, where this one is dependent variable and these two are independent variable. So if any of these 2 is given, then only third you can find. But if 2 is not given, how you will find the third one? Suppose this one is missing, this one is missing. How you will find this one? Trigonometry will help you. When I will go through this chapter, I will tell you in details how they are doing it and where from they are coming it, and what are the formulas, what are the identities, trigonometrical identities, and everything I will tell you. Next chapter is trigonometric ratio of standard angles. Here you will learn the values of different angles are there. The angles are 0 degree, 45, 30 is there, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are called standard angles. Now, what are the use of these standard angles, and many more you will learn. Next, coordinate geometry, that is the graph. Already whatever you have learned, nothing new is there. Only just this part and that part is there, and you will learn this one, coordinate and statistics, that is bar graph and histogram, and all these things are there. So these chapters, whatever I have read of class, this is of class 9, and this one all are if your base of class 8 is okay or strong, then you will feel half of the or 80% of the chapter easy. But one thing you remember that whatever the exam from 2000 means previous year, that is 2019-20, board is taking the exam. Board is taking the exam means that board is not conducting the exam as of class 10 and 12, but they are sending exam papers, question papers they are sending off and on. That means full book will be in your exam of annual, and in annual you will have full book of each and every subject, not only math but each and every subject. So you have to make your study routine in such a way that within December month, I can say, or before that, not only you have to finish all these 19 chapters, but also you have to give revision, because after that I will provide you different questions of different school, different all over India, different schools. So there I have gathered all the questions from there, and I will send their pre-board exam, because many of the schools they take exam before the board exam in order to see how their students have done or how their students are studying. So I will give you, so that you will have a huge collection of questions before going to the exam, because it is a board exam. So they will follow the question pattern as it is, as I have discussed. So any doubt regarding the syllabus, exam, you can write it in the comment and I will give you the answer. One day I will come live in YouTube, my YouTube channel. I will tell you the date, and there you can directly ask me about any doubts, whatever you have of this exam. And please follow my class, share it with your friend and like it, and the most important thing is subscribe it.